John Fedro with mobilehomeinvesting.net. I was driving through the middle of nowhere where I found a Clayton dealership and I saw a 2-story manufactured home. Look, we're in the top of this thing. So I stopped, I pulled over, I'm like, 2 stories? Is this the future? What is happening? But this is not a manufactured home. It's a modular home. And I don't do many videos on modular homes. I'll show you the outside so that you can see what this thing looks like. But it's got a huge pitched roof, which you can obviously see that we're in right now. I imagine this can be finished on later. Now, a modular home, I don't talk much about them on this channel. A modular home is built to the same codes locally that a house would be built at. So if you're in a certain state, in a certain area, that modular home has to be built to the same codes as a regular single-family site-built home would be. But it still comes from the factory, and it still is shipped on a couple of I-beams. Just like a manufactured home or a mobile home, it's got those I-beams running underneath of the home. But when it gets to the new location, it comes off of those I-beams, and it's never put there again. That's a big part of being a modular home in most areas. It's taking off of the frame. There's no frame, but it does come in 2 sections. You can see that's where the marriage line was. They're kind of trying to hide it. Look at that kitchen though. And the size of these ceilings and the recessed lights. Oh, and the price tag. Look at that stupid price. Now the wait on this from the factory is about 9 months, which they said is quick. Other dealerships in the area are not charging, they're back like over a year of delay from the factory, simply because it's tougher to get materials. There's a back order, people are spending money. But the prices on these homes are pretty substantial. Nothing that we would want to really do as a mobile home investor, but I did want to show you that, this stuff comes from the factory.
Are you an active mobile home investor that enjoys quality products, friendly faces, and a steep discount over those big box stores? Of course you are. Get in your car and head down to your local Habitat for Humanity Restore. These stores are operated by the Habitat for Humanity's organization you've heard of, the same one that builds all those free homes for folks in need. However, these stores offer new and used products for a fraction of their normal retail prices. If you want a large supply of options, we don't got that. High-tech items, not so much. But if you need a new doorknob set, or a new toilet seat, or miscellaneous building supplies scattered around for you to rummage through, we've got you covered. Come on down and check out our ever-changing inventory. Please look online first, though, for a Restore location near you. If you're lucky, you'll find us.
This is all done with the same construction as it would be, again, normally if this was a house. It's put onto a foundation, the gentleman was telling me. In this area, they almost do everything on foundations. And then the front deck. This is amazing. No, yeah, it's pretty big. I don't know if it's $250,000 nice, but and that does not include the land. It doesn't include the well or the utilities. Doesn't include any of that. And I don't know if this is finished either for the price. But that is a huge upper area. I mean, this is huge. This could be another few rooms or a game room. Man, that is super, super cool. All right, let's go take a look at the outside. I'll show you what made me want to stop and look at this thing. It keeps getting bigger and bigger. Look at the size of that. Actually, it doesn't look that big from the outside, but the pitched roof is just ginormous. It does have to come in 3 sections. 1 section, 2 section, 3 sections, because that won't make it down the road the roof doesn't split. That won't make it under like a bridge or some overpasses. All right, different video than normal. Hope that made sense. Hope you learned something. John Fedro, talk to you soon. Bye.